Okay, and so starting the 5th class of our data analysis bootcamp, understanding bivariate relationships. This is very, very important. We want to understand the correlations and relationships. This is we discussed so much in the last class is how to understand the univariate relation, not really univariate analysis, understanding one feature at a time. We want to take that a step further now, and now that we can understand our features, we understand them in comparison or with each other. See if we can extract more insights. What is bivariate analysis? So bivariate is really the simplest form of quantitative analysis, in the sense meaning that we are comparing two continuous variables together. So we are normally concerned with understanding the association between x and y. So in general, we could say, is it positive or is it negative, right? We really want to understand this relationship. Okay, so we'll be concerned with things, patterns, directions. I want to also notice that there are outliers, because outliers, and we'll discuss this as we go through the class, and you heard about a lot in the univariate analysis, but it doesn't stop here in the bivariate analysis. Outliers really have a big impact, and so we at least want to identify them so we can understand how it's distorting our bivariate analysis, or if it is distorting our bivariate analysis.